Hello viewers, welcome to Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. Viewers, I am Vidyashree from Karnataka. I am presenting this video for you to write Kannada and pronounce Kannada, helping you to learn Kannada reading and writing through our Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Hello viewers, today we learn ninth alphabet, Kannada alphabet. A, big A. Double E or big E. A. How to write? A. A. A for Eni. Eni. Eni means the ladder. A for Yesu. Yesu, God Jesus. A for Eru. Eru means get up, climb meaning. A for AD. AD means the crab.